Alright guys, so we're working with an AC condenser. This is a 2011 Toyota. We're replacing the condenser, as you can see. Let me find a part number for you guys. Let me turn it upside down. That's the part. This one wasn't expensive like the other ones. So that you guys know my price. Alright, Pacific Tech. And that's my price, what I pay for my parts. And these things running anywhere from $300 to $600 at the store after taxes. So we're gonna come over here. You guys already know we took the bumper off yesterday, and you're gonna release screw. There's a screw right here to remove this cover, to remove this bracket. So we're gonna replace that bracket. You're gonna remove two 10mm that are underneath, one right here, one right there, and this slides underneath. I want to move this out of the way so I can get this done, but you guys get the idea. Since this is a damaged one, look how easy it is, and there's your damage. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna compare condensers, and we're gonna compare line to line and shape. So far we know one thing is matching, shapes are matching. So now I'm gonna look for the lines. So let me put this on top of someone else's car, and you guys can see hopefully what I'm doing over here. And just in case if you guys ever run into these straps over here, put right here, see that end? You pull, that's how easy they are. Make sure you hold on. See what I'm doing right here? And pull, and off they come. So, sorry about this. So, everything matches. Everything is the same. So if you guys ever find yourself needing parts, this is my price that I pay for it. So you guys know exactly what I'm paying for my AC condenser. That is the part number for the 2011 at Advance Auto. Alright, but this is my price. This is not the Advance Auto price for anybody else. Everybody else can get this. I was trying to get it yesterday. Today is Friday. They said they won't be able to get it into Monday when I tried to get it yesterday. Advance Auto got it to me the next day at 7 in the morning. They were calling me that it's already at the store. Had to go somewhere else and pick it up out in Folsom. So if you're ever at this Folsom location right here, let me see if I can get it a little bit clearer. There it goes. If you guys are ever over here, please thank them. Like I said, I have no problems, and the same way this now came out, it's the same way we're going to put this back in. So let's carry this gently. You don't want to mess up any fins, so we're going to grab gently. Make sure it doesn't fall, make sure you don't bump it, make sure nothing happens to it. In the same way that other one came out, it's the same way this one is going in. We're going to lay this down. But first I'm going to do a little tweaking on this metal bar over here, because what exploded is the metal bar bended and it started to rub up here and damage the fins. So that's going to be for something next. Just slide this up right in, put the two bottom brackets back down, connect the lines, and done. Then we're going to go to the next part, and I'm going to show you how to put in Freon into the system. Because everyone keeps doing this part wrong. Everyone just goes, put it in, and right away wants to put Freon in. And that doesn't work that way. So this is going to be the do-it-yourself, and we're going to do it right. So let's see if I can get you guys to watch what I'm doing, why I'm doing this. So like I said, we're going to remove one part first. And like I said, I want to get one thing out of here. And it sucks when they put these things in and they hide these bolts. And then I'm using the wrong tool for the job. Should be using a pick. That's at the flathead. So just be careful with that, guys. You're gonna end up damaging other things and cutting yourself. So let me see if I can do it this way. So we're gonna let this go. Sorry about that. What you heard was the release of that air. Okay, so now I got this out the way so that I can play with it a little bit better. So let's go so you guys can see what I'm about to do. Now, wasn't that the simplest thing? Guys out there crying about, oh my God, this thing is too hard. And I won't be able to do it. It's too much. Don't cry about things, just do it. Like that Nike commercial. You guys buy all these shoes, just do it. Just find alignment. And there's a track up in top. Make sure that that lines up inside that track. So that you can put the foot holders. Start them by hands. Don't go using impact tools and air tools right away. to jam them and throw them in. And there it is. That's your installation right there. Tighten up your lines. And then we can go in and put your bar down. Like you said, you don't have to take everything apart. Just take the important parts off and you'll be able to get it out. And you're good to go. Hook up your lines. Hook up your gauges so I can put vacuum on the system. Make sure everything top and high and low is zeroed out. And you can then start the vehicle, turn the compressor on, and start throwing Freon in. And I'm going to show you that in the next video. But let me finish this up, tightening up everything else. And you got to go. Any questions, comment down below. Like I said, this is a 2011 Toyota with the full banger. And I gave you the part number for, what do you call it, this condenser. And so you guys know what my price is. So you know why I'm always competitive out here in Sacramento, why everybody else is getting paid $200 to $300 for one of these. And the used one. Because the new one is about they told me about $400 to $500 for the new one on that. So be competitive, because this is what it costs. So if I paid $100 for this, I can charge them the $200 for that part plus my labor, which is $150, and I'm good to go. And it took me, saw how quick it was, and it took me longer for me to show you in the videos. But it would have took me 15 minutes. Bang, 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 bang. 15 minutes to bang out the bumper and disconnect all of that and drop that. And probably another 5 minutes to put everything back together again. So again, it's not difficult. This is a rating of 1 for anybody who's doing this on a 1 to 10 scale. So again, any questions, I'll leave descriptions down below. I'm going to say this, I don't, sponsor anybody. If the part is good, I'm going to give you good ratings. If the part is bad, I'm going to tell you it's bad. But again, I don't sponsor anything. I don't send out any links, and I don't ask you to call me or send me anything. So just in case if someone is acting like me and telling you guys to send you products, no. That's not me. I'm not asking you guys. I'm trying to help you guys save money on this.